What's going on, guys? Matt Schaeffer back here with another radar laser integration job for you. This one on a 2020 BMW M2 competition. This one we kind of went all out with, really went with the stealth design. Starting out with the front, the system consists of AL priority laser diffusers and a TX in the front. So we have two regular diffusers in the front. We have one TX sensor that is in the center of the grill. We have two regular laser diffusers, AL priority, in the rear as well. For the radar integration, we used Escort Max CI for the entire system. Looking at the front, very stealth on this one. We integrated the TX into the front grille. We did our designed inserts here into each side of the grill, so it really just kind of disappears, right? So that is a special type of acrylic. It's the same type of acrylic that the front of the diffuser is made of, so light can transmit directly through that acrylic. As far as the bottom sensors here, we have one down here and one on the respective other side there. They sit behind these covers. The covers are removable, so if you ever had to replace them in the future, if they ever got damaged, they are fairly easy to replace. As far as those are heat bent to the grill, and then it's kind of epoxied from behind. So that was really the best way in order to integrate that into the front. So yeah, something really cool about the front license plate here is that it is completely magnetized. So it is a no holes license plate. You can just pop that off there, and there are no screws holding that into place, which is really badass because no one wants to destroy a beautiful front end like this one. So for me, I'd probably just leave this inside the car, and if a cop pulls me over, I'd probably just say, just got done detailing it and forgot to pop it back on. But that's a great way to kind of, you know, do the whole front license plate where it is legal or illegal in states to not have a front license plate. So this state obviously requires a front license plate. So the magnetized option was a really no-brainer to go with. As far as everything else, like I said, very stealth look there in the front, follows the contour lines of the front body. The Escort detector for the front sits right here, as high as we could get it up in this bumper, right here below the headlight. So it's not obstructed by any metal or anything like that. So as far as the back goes, we did the two regular diffusers, as you can see there, on either side of the license plate using the same IR acrylic. It's always difficult to do the same install in the back and have it integrated and stealthed into the front, but at least this way it follows the lines of the back of the car, and it still allows you to conceal the laser diffusers because you know, most officers are going to understand and know what the diffuser looks like. So this at least conceals them. And the cool thing about AL priority as well is they also act as parking sensors. So you can flip it into a parking sensor mode. So now those sensors on the back become parking sensors, which, you know, for me, I'd just flip it in parking sensor mode and bam, you have parking sensors. So that would explain what those do on the back. So as far as the rear radar receiver for the Escort, it is mounted right here on top of the bumper. I'll overlay a picture here so you can kind of see exactly where it sits. Again, highest spot that I could really get it within the bumper. So as far as the mount goes for the controllers, this was just an open area before. Now I created this little insert, which mimics a lot what you see here. And we chose an Alcantara cover, right? So Alcantara suede, which matches what you have here in the car. Alcantara suede, identical match. And both of your controllers sit right underneath of it. So if you want to use it, you can pop that cover off and your controllers are very easy to use in arm's length right there. Again, another Alcantara top. You have your silver trim to match this trim here, and the design, the chamfer that you see there goes up to the edge just like you see here. So yeah, we always try and install a static kill switch. In this case, we have the switch right here on the side of the console. You easily just double tap the side, and then it cuts off. Again, so it's a switch that sits beyond the panel, so there is nothing mounted on the outside. It just senses your touch it on the side, and then it kicks right back on. We also always like to create these door tags, and also create one that you can throw in your wallet. It's credit card size, but it gives you all the information of the unit. So all your serial numbers, your Bluetooth pin for the AL Priority, your Max Escort serial number. So all that information is right there with everything that's installed in the vehicle. So this gives you a good look of how the display operates up here. So it's basically, this whole enclosure was made, you got the silver trim to match everything that you see in the BMW here. And then the controller, or I'm sorry, the display itself sits behind this smoked acrylic. So when the unit is off, it actually goes black. But when it's on, you can obviously see the display there behind that smoked acrylic. So when it does turn off, it looks like that. Obviously I just killed it with the power switch, so it just kind of looks like it's a OEM panel up there. But yeah, that's exactly how it operates. Very low profile, very stealth. I would say this would be a upgraded component on a system like this.
Interference detection.
So yeah, if you have any questions or want to get something done by me, we can definitely design a system around your car and your budget. For that information, here is my number right here below, followed by my email address. These are two great ways to contact me. You can follow us on our Instagram pages. All three of them are listed here below. You have @TheRealMattyS, you have Sound Effects Home Car, and then you also have Musaic_design. All three of these are attached to our facility. Also, make sure to subscribe to us on YouTube. You can always see the daily jobs that we have coming in here and all the completed walkthrough projects. Also, if you haven't yet, check out our website. If you're interested in something like this, I have the full catalog of cars that I've completed. You can search by make, manufacturer, you can search by radar, laser, you can search by audio packages. It is a great tool to see what we've done on previous vehicles. It also links all our YouTube videos. And like I said, it gives you all the behind the scenes pictures on a job like this that I'm not showing you within the video. So again, thank you guys for the support, and until next time, I'll catch you later.